located in southern Central Europe at a crossroads of important European cultural and trade routes. It is bordered by Italy to the west, Austria to the north, Hungary to the northeast, Croatia to the southeast, and the Adriatic Sea to the southwest. It has a population of just over 2 million. Slovenia's name means the land of the Slavs in Slovene and other South Slavic languages. The current territory of Slovenia has formed part of many different states, including the Roman Empire, Byzantine Empire, Carolingian Empire, and the Holy Roman Empire, the Habsburg Monarchy, the Republic of Venice, the French-administered Illyrian provinces of Napoleon I, the Austrian Empire and Austria-Hungary. The country is one of the most water-rich in Europe, with a dense river network, a rich aquifer system, and significant karst underground watercourses. Over half of the country is covered by forests. This makes Slovenia the third most forested country in Europe, after Finland and Sweden. Slovenia has a mostly mountainous terrain with a mainly continental climate, with the exception of the Slovene littoral, which has a sub-Mediterranean climate, and of the northwest, which has an alpine climate. There are many castles to visit in Slovenia. The Slovene Riviera is the coastline of Slovenia, located on the Gulf of Trieste by the Adriatic Sea. It is part of the Istrian Peninsula and is approximately 47 kilometers. The region comprises the towns of Koper, Izola and Piran with Port Orange. It is a seaside tourist destination, with a vibrant, multi-ethnic Slovenian and Italian heritage. In Slovenia you can see old and modern cities. The capital and the largest city is Ljubljana, with many restaurants, bars and outdoor cafes. There is something special about this capital city. It is so far the only city in the world with the US and the Russian embassy located next to each other. The US embassy is in the foreground to the left and the Russian embassy to the right. Also other interesting places in the country.